Hi, I have a really sad story for you. So this little guy, this little ficus, as you can see now, is really dead, but there was time when it was thriving and alive and brought us a lot of joy. Once upon a time, it was really thriving, very green, and really living its best life. It started losing leaves at some point, and then despite all my best efforts to resurrect it, send all my best vibes to it, it's now like really dead, but I don't want to throw it away. And I thought what would be best for him, for his next life. So I decided to decorate it, and it's gonna be super fun, and it's gonna be a chance for our little guy to live the second life and bring more joy. What's our plan? Do I have a plan in mind? Actually, not really. We are still gonna do something anyways. So I curated this little Pinterest board. Let's look at the inspirations. I'm not sure we are replicating any of these inspirations, but I think it's really cool when some little things are hanging from the tree, and I'm sure that we are gonna try to paint this tree as well. By the way, do you appreciate my Christmassy socks? They are very hairy, but they're still Christmassy. Do we need some little ambiance to start this project? I think we do. I have these little very cute candles. Our first step with this is gonna be trying to get rid of the pot. Let's try to pull it out and then hope that it's not gonna be very messy. So I actually made very little mess, and I thought this is gonna be much more painful. So now I have this. Oh. Okay. I'm now going to try to paint this. So I'm painting one side black, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do blue and silver next. So far it's going kind of good. I'm still not sure if the result is gonna be amazing, but I'm having fun right now. I think let's go with this purpley color. I really like that one. And then we will figure out if I want to also add blue, but the idea is the same. Just gonna paint the whole other side with this, and then when it's dry, we are gonna work on the highlights. I think this is where I'm gonna leave the tree for now. So I made it purple from the other side, and it's not perfect, but it's mixing with the black a little bit. I want it to dry a little bit and then continue a bit later to make it better, but then we also can work on some decorations that we are gonna put on it. I have a couple ideas. I'm gonna show you now what I have already. So first, in the Christmas spirit, I was trying to make these Christmas stockings. I have no idea how to make this, but I just started making them the other day, and some of them are pretty cool. So this is the Mickey Mouse one, and this one is just red, and I have the black one and this red one. I made this little creepy guy the other day. I think it could be pretty cool on the tree. And then I made these bubbles with a little metal hook, and I still need to sand them and paint them. So we can hang those, and then we need to make many more things to hang. But I'm gonna stop here for today, wait for this to dry, and then we will continue tomorrow. It's a few days later. I've made some progress. I've been a little bit busy and slightly lazy, but I painted my ficus, and I also fixed the situation with its pot. We put little stones in it, so now it's like nice and stable. And I finished my little socks. I think they are adorable. I don't think they will go on the tree though. I'm thinking I'm gonna put them on that window there, and I bought little hooks for that. The plan for the ficus is to add little silver bits here and there, and then put a little gloss on top of it, like clear varnish. And after that we can start decorating it. Now let's do little silver bits. finished my little highlights. I'm gonna leave it there. I might add a little bit more later, but I think I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm gonna use this, which is just a clear coat, and spray it and hopefully make it a bit better in a way that bits are not gonna fall so much from it. Hopefully this is gonna go well. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, I think I'm good with this. While we wait for it to dry outside, maybe around 20 minutes, we can discuss what we are going to decorate it with. I made these and I painted them white. And I also made this creepy guy and I painted him white because it's easier to paint on white. And quite a while ago I made this one, which can also potentially go. But I have this wild idea. I made these oranges. We had like a little party at our place earlier, and I made these oranges for the drinks, and I think they look pretty cool and they are very Christmassy. And I was thinking I can put a couple of them on the string and put them on the tree, and that could be nice. They also smell really nice. I also want to put little lights from that little box there. I don't know if you can see, but we are gonna put lights on our tree. And one more idea. I have this pretty tissue paper and I thought I could make like little thingies that will hang from the tree. Let's try doing something. I'll put the timer for 20 minutes. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with making a couple of oranges on the string. I'm just gonna do a couple of these, I think, with the white string. I don't know if the white string is gonna look ridiculous on my black tree, but I think this might be the solution. Here are all my oranges. They look very pretty. I don't know why they look really pretty. I kind of want to eat one. They are so nice. Kind of want to eat this one. It's actually pretty good. Let's see what we can do with this. I'm thinking little squares and also put them on a string. I think this is quite fun. I'm gonna do a couple more, even though it sounds a little bit ridiculous. That's our 20 minutes, but I'm gonna continue. Okay. What else should we do? Should we do these quickly? They also need to be painted two sides. Let's try to put some of the oranges on. How does it look? This maybe looks pretty fun. So this is how my tree looks at the moment. And I think I really like how my oranges look like and how these look like, because they look like a little floating clouds. I'm not completely sure with the whole look. I put these here even though I haven't finished them, my little clay ones, and I definitely need to make some more bits of pieces here. I'm kind of having this thought that maybe I should do only clouds and oranges. I might also get some little lights here and there, but it's starting to look pretty cool, I think. Hi, so it's been about a week, unfortunately, because I've been really sick last week, and I've made some progress on my ficus. Mainly I painted all the things that I made from clay, and also, most importantly, I have my Christmas tree now, and ta-da, here is my ficus. I think the coolest feature that I added is this, that I can turn off and on the lights. I added this little string of lights and I think it fits the shape perfectly. I also added this little creepy guy and 2 of my ornaments. I painted them and I covered them with clay. I think it looks very nice and I don't want to add too much stuff to it just because I want the focus to be on the shape. I don't want to overwhelm. These are dry branches. And I also have this little guy. Almost forgot about him. He sits in the pot and I think he looks adorable. What I think we can also do, I remembered that for my Pinterest outfits, for my summer Pinterest outfits video, I made some little fishes and I think they could be pretty good. Let's see what happens. Let's try. Here are my little fishes. I'm not gonna use all of them, but I think they are kind of cool. I'm still wearing them sometimes as just like necklaces, but I have a few ones that I think would work here very nicely. So I think it's enough fishes for my liking, and I think it means that we need to transport our ficus to its location. Unfortunately, I was saying, its location is near the Christmas tree, and I have this weird system how I'm transporting it, hopefully not making it crooked every time. I think one of the fishes fell, but I think this is the spot. So now we are closer a little bit to our wall, and this is its final placement, and I really like it because it creates this kind of contrast against the wall and you can really see all the branches. And I know that the Christmas tree here is really overwhelming and maybe a little bit sad when this kind of creature starts its new life and all about new beginning. This Christmas tree here is just like a punch in the face, but I really like it. I think it turned out super good. I'm really excited for all the things we can make next and redecorate it and come up with some different things. My favorite thing from this, I think, is my little creepy guy decoration. I think it turned out really good. I was really stressed when I was painting this, but I think at the end it turned out super good. So this is actually the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed giving my little ficus a second life. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay inspired and see you soon. Do you think they are charting? I think like the Christmas tree is so big and voluptuous that I'm not sure if my little ficus is having any fun there.